Hi, in this video we are discussing about the advanced filter option. Let's look into that. We have some data in this sheet: serial number, name, grade, fees, paid amount and the balance. The disadvantages of using basic filter is we have to filter on a place and paste it on a different place, like copy and then paste it somewhere. But using the advanced filter, you can filter the data in the same sheet itself. In this advanced filter, we have three parts. One is source. The data, this is the source. And this is the criteria. And the third part is where we need to paste the data. The filtered data where we need to paste. I will highlight the criteria in the data so we can understand easily. I will highlight. So this one I will just put another color. See this. This is also 4000. So these two datas we need to filter. This data will be copied and pasted in the next cell using advanced filter. First we have to go to data, then click advanced filter. Filter the list in the place. Second option is copy to another location. So first we have to do is list a range. Click here. Then we have to select like this and go to the second option, criteria range. So the criteria is this one, this two. Fees and the amount which we need to filter is 4000. This is the criteria. Just click here, select these two cells. Okay, the third option is copy to. Here we cannot select. So we have to change to the second option, copy to another location. Just click here. Now we can select copy to in this cell. Then click OK. Now we have filtered these two datas. If I want to copy and paste in some another sheet, sheet number 2, okay, not in this sheet, for the advanced filter. If we are using the same method, we will get an error. Let's look into that. First we have to go to data, then advanced, list range. So we have to select like this, and the second option is criteria range. This is the criteria, and copy to another location. Just click it here, copy to another location. Here we are going to the second sheet. We need to copy and paste it here. Okay, now we can see the error message. Click OK. Now you can see the error message. You can only copy filtered data in the active sheet. So the second sheet is not active because no data we have updated here. If the cursor is in this sheet, then this sheet it will be active. The steps will be different and the method it will be same. Now we can go to data, advanced. Here there is no data. So list range, just click here. Go to the first sheet. We have to select the data. Click here, criteria range. So again we have to go to the first sheet. This is the criteria, and copy to another location. So we have to select here this location. This is the second sheet. We have to copy and paste here. Copy to another location. In this location we have to paste the data again. So click here, we need to paste the data here. Click OK. So we can see the data is appearing here. This is the first sheet and this is the second sheet. The methods, it will be different. Hope you have understood how to use the advanced filter. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe.